Hi, my name is Jyotica Bhasin, and today I ask you to be bold for change. This is the theme for the International Women's Day 2017. We are wives, we are mothers, we are single women, we are professionals, we may be doctors, lawyers, IT professionals, or designers. We are also construction workers, agricultural laborers, or domestic workers. We cannot allow ourselves to be repressed as we have been for centuries, and we must be bold for change. International Women's Day is celebrated all over the world because women must be socially and economically independent. They must not have to choose between their family and work. You're aware that so many laws have been enacted for your protection? Let's start with property and inheritance laws. Under the Hindu Succession Act, a Hindu woman or girl will have equal property rights along with other male relatives for any partition made in interstate succession after September 2005. This means that daughters are entitled to equal inheritance rights along with male siblings, which right was not available to them prior to the amendment in 2005. Now let's talk about the Maternity Benefit Act. The Maternity Benefit Act is being amended now, and the amendment which will be enforced provides for 26 weeks of maternity leave instead of 12 weeks which was being provided earlier. The act also includes adopting and commissioning mothers who will be given up to 12 weeks of maternity leave. Interestingly, the employer also has to provide creche facilities where there are 50 or more female employees. Let's talk about something very serious: domestic violence. There is a Domestic Violence Act of 2005. The term domestic violence has been used in the widest possible sense, and it includes within its purview all sorts of violence, be it physical, verbal, emotional, sexual, anything that is likely to cause bodily injury or harm or psychological injury to a person. Under this act, the term aggrieved person covers not just the wife, but any person who is the sexual partner of the male. She could be the legal wife or she could be the live-in partner. Most importantly, the daughter, the sister, the mother, the child, male or female, a widowed female relative, or any woman residing in that household which is related in some way to the accused is covered by the act. Asking for or giving of dowry can be punished with imprisonment and with a fine. Some of you may be aware that there also exists an Equal Remuneration Act of 1976, which aims to provide for equal payment of remuneration to both men and women for the same work. Hence, discrimination on the grounds of sex against women in the matter of employment. The Sexual Harassment of Women at the Workplace, Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013 is a very long-awaited legislation. It provides that no woman shall be subjected to sexual harassment at the workplace. The term sexual harassment is not just about a physical touch or a contact or an advance, but it includes implied or explicit demands for sexual favors, sexual gestures, sexually colored remarks to a female employee, or showing pornography or cracking such jokes that may be derogatory or insulting to women. While you may choose to file a complaint of sexual harassment with the Internal Complaints Committee at the workplace, you may also choose to file a complaint of sexual harassment with the police. There are laws which pertain to rape and sexual assault which protect you. There has been a change in the definition of rape under the Indian Penal Code. The scope of the word rape has been enlarged. It includes within its purview acts in addition to vaginal penetration. Applying of mouth or touching private parts constitutes the offense of sexual assault. Aware that there is an Indecent Representation of Women Prohibition Act of 19 1986. This act prohibits the indecent representation of women in any manner or form or bodily part which is likely to be derogatory to women. Next time that an image is morphed or the face or a body part of a woman is put up on social media or the WhatsApp message, you do have a legal remedy which can be availed of. We women are half the world, so I say to you, be bold for a change, be bold for change. Thank you.